Students, we are studying chapter 1 super senses. Let's start our last topic of the chapter. We will discuss about the sloth. Sloth, the lazy one. Why lazy? Because out of 24 hours in a day, sloth sleeps 17 hours. That is more than half of one full day. It looks like a bear, but it is not. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping hanging upside down on a tree branch. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. Hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to another tree nearby. Sloth live for about 40 years, and in that time it moves around only 8 trees. Once a week, it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. Now see how the sleeping time of the sloth is shown in the circle. The circle is divided into 12 parts and each part means 2 hours. So first, let us count that time for which the sloth is awake. So each triangle or each fraction is denoted by 2 hours. That is 2, 4, 6. The time for which the sloth is awake is 6 hours. So now count the sleeping time for the sloth. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So the sloth sleep for 18 hours in a day. In the book, it is mentioned 17 hours, but because 17 is odd number, we cannot divide it properly in the whole number. That is why we have taken 18. Now, you have to shade a fraction for which a lizard is sleeping in winters. How will you show a clock for a lizard in winters? As I already told you, lizard sleeps 24 hours throughout the winter. So how much portion you will shade? Yes, you will shade the whole fraction because it sleeps full 24 hours in winter season. Similarly, you have to count the sleeping time of the cow. That is, you have to count the shaded portion. Cow will sleep 4 hours. Similarly, python sleeps for 18 hours. Giraffe sleeps for 2 hours and cat sleeps for 12 hours. Now we have already discussed about tigers. They have more than one super sense, yet they are in danger. First of all, we list all the super senses which tigers have. First, super sense of sight. As tigers can see 6 times better at night than us. They can see very far away at night when it is very dark, and they can see very clearly. Second, they have super sense of hearing. They can make out of the difference between rustling of leaves and animals moving on ground. Third is, tiger can move their ears in all directions and catch sounds from all the directions. Fourth, super sense of smell. They have recognized the smell of urine of other tigers and they can avoid going into other tigers' area. Fifth, tigers can also make out different sounds for different purposes. Like if they want to scare someone or if they want to call out for their friends, they can make out different sounds for different purpose. Next is super sensitive whiskers. What are whiskers? Whiskers are these things. Tiger's whiskers can sense movement in the air and can find its prey. So in spite of having so many super senses, why they are in danger? Because the number of tigers are decreasing and there are only 2,226 tigers are left in India. And if we don't save them, then after a few years, all the tigers will disappear. And the future children would not be able to see tigers, just like we see dinosaurs only in pictures and movies now. Future children will also be able to see tigers only in pictures and movies. As you all know, tiger is our national animal. So it is our duty to save the tigers. So what are the dangers saved by tigers? So what are the dangers faced by tigers? Hunters and poachers are the biggest threat to tigers. Poacher means people who hunt animal and sell their body parts to make money out of it. Hunters and poachers kill tigers and sell their beautiful skin at very high cost. Second reason is deforestation. It means cutting off trees from a large area of a forest. Forest is home for the tigers and many other animals too. If trees are not there, then where will the animals live? So here are the few things made out of animals' skin. Just like carpet made of tiger skin, leather belt made out of snake skin, bag made from crocodile skin. Elephants are killed for their tusks, as these tusks are very costly. Rhinos are also killed for their horns. Sometimes we humans are so cruel that to earn money we will kill innocent animals, which is not right. Everyone has a right to live. That is not only humans but also animals. Tigers are also killed for their skin. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Rhinos are killed for their horns. Snakes and crocodiles are also killed for their skin. Musk deer are killed for their musk. So now, question is, how will save animals and who will save them? Our government will save them. To protect the animals, our government has made some forests as protected areas. Some of them are Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Ghana in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In these areas, nobody can hunt the animals and destroy the jungle. As you can see, how many tigers are left now? There are only 2,226 tigers are left in India according to the survey of 2018. So you can think how many less tigers are remaining. So now we are going to mark some of the national parks of our country. There are many national parks, but I am going to make out only a few because space is less now. Ghana and Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Palamu National Park in Jharkhand, and Kaziranga National Park in Assam. This is the end of our last topic, and also our chapter is finished here. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in interaction video session. But before ending of the chapter, there is an assignment for you, that you have to make a list of all national parks of India and also show it on the map of India. We will meet you soon with the next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.